Hey there, guys. I just wanted to let you know that I am finished building out the first version of the course. I ended up being able to condense it into a 3-day course. So, literally in 3 days, if you follow the videos step by step and implement them in order, you can have your website up, you can have your course created, and your website live in 3 days. So, I literally just like cut to the chase. There's no fluff to any of these videos. So if you have questions along the way, make sure you reach out to me in the community. But this is literally going to be the quickest, easiest way for you guys to get up and running quickly. Excuse me. So now if you come on to equiplunch.com and you come to the classroom, I don't even make anyone opt in. Like this information, I'm just giving all of it away. I want to make sure that anyone who's very serious about getting online fast is able to access this information. They don't have time for opt-ins and weeding through, all the bull that gets into their inbox to figure out how to log in and reset passwords. And so I just want everybody to have access to this stuff. Super important if you are ready to do this right now. So when you click on, let me go back. When you click on the classroom, it's going to bring you over to the classroom. So this right here is your launch pad. This is your 3, 2, 1 launch. So the quickest way to do this is go ahead and you watch these 2 videos first. This is going to show you how to use the AI tool inside for copywriting. And this one is going to help you organize all of your information. So if you've got images, if you have that you want to use on your website, if you have copy that you've created, like bios and things, I go through how to organize this on Google Drive so that you have everything to access. And then there's a checklist here that I created for you that really goes into, the home page, things that you need to have on it, the about page, your services page. I just break it down. This is a checklist. And then when you come in here, this is obviously your first step is your pre-launch checklist, which is creating your folders and adding all the information to it. Again, you'll see me. I always say it's an 80% rule. Your website's never going to be finished. You want to make sure that it's 70, 80% there, whatever you're working on, and then it's go time because you're always going to be changing your website. And I know this really hurts people who are perfectionists, but you will get your website perfect. And the next day you're going to wake up and you're going to need to fix it again because you're going to have another idea. You're going to have some dream when in the middle of the night, and you're going to wake up and be like, oh, I have to go change this. So our rule is 80%. So when I launched my first course that I scaled to almost 500K before deciding to pivot and do this, I literally had nothing. I had no website. I had a website. I had literally just a landing page and an opt-in form. But that was it. So when I say that it needs to be 70 to 80% there, like if your goal is truly to get online and start making money fast, you have to remember this rule. So go through this list. Remember that it's an 80% rule. If you got 80% of the stuff there, then you are good to go to the next step. Okay, so moving right along. If you come down, so we have our launch, 3, 2, 1, and then launch. If you go into 3, this is your first step. Build your website in a day. Again, no opt-in. And I have checklists for you for you watching the video, completing the assignment, watching the video, completing the assignment. You do not need to print these, but this is a good way to be able to move along through the program. When you come in here, you're going to see that basically you're going to work in order. So choosing your theme, adding your logo, editing the menu, adding and choosing fonts, exploring the hero area, creating new pages, creating pop-ups, building and designing the pages. And then that is it for the day. When you click on these, it's just going to pop up a video, and you can, when you play this, you can make it full screen.
And welcome back.
So that it blows up for the whole frame of your computer. And then each one of these is going to be like that. So I make it easy, cheesy, pleasy. So then you can either click here to go to the next day, or you can go back to the launch pad and you can click on day 2, or you can come up here and you can just click on build your course. Again, same thing. You're just going to go through each of these videos. When you get to the end, you're going to power up the machine, which is going to take you into day 3. Again, there's a checklist for you guys to follow. And then pretty much all this stuff is pretty self-explanatory. There may be areas that along the way that you're like, wait, I don't understand this. If that's the case, please reach out in the community, tag me, let me know what video you watched and what you didn't understand, because that's going to help me serve you better. So this is my passion project. I want to get as many people as I possibly can online to share the message they feel that they have to take to the world. And I want to do that as quickly as possible. So that is why I quit doing what I was doing, even though it was quite profitable, because I just saw a gap in this whole coaching space of people just taking advantage of people wanting to learn how to do this. And I just wanted to cut through the chase, all of the bull, make sure that I offer you guys everything you need in order to have the steps that you need to take in order to build, and then also the software at such an affordable price. It's silly. I've had people in the coaching and course creation space and software space tell me that I'm stupid for doing this, but that's fine. They can call me stupid. Either way, you'll have a website, and that's really all I'm here for. So if you have any questions, reach out in the community. I'm here to help you. I do work for my husband. I do a lot of his marketing, and well, I do all of his marketing. But I am here. This is literally like my dream job, is to literally come alongside. I've been doing this since 2004. I am, you can ask Lori in the community. She's taken some of my past courses for financial advisors and stuff. I am a wealth of knowledge when it comes to marketing, when it comes to video editing, when it comes to social media, when it comes to Facebook ads, when it comes to SEO, I am a wealth of knowledge. I have followed the run up since 2004. So if you have a question about anything, even if it's not my software, I've probably been in it, had my hands in it, or worked with something similar and have an answer for you. And if I don't, I'm pretty sure that I would know who to put you in touch with so that you can keep moving forward. But like I said, I've got this here for you. You can go ahead and dive in. It costs you $0 to get started and $0 for the Facebook community. So I am here just to serve those who are ready to roll their sleeves up and get started and feel like that they cannot find a solution to do that. So that is all. I'll talk to you guys soon. Bye for now.